Looking for the best underwater cameras in 2026? Whether you're diving, snorkeling, surfing, or capturing amazing vacation memories, the right underwater camera can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the best underwater cameras you can buy right now for stunning photos, smooth video, and rugged durability. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. OM System Olympus. The camera features a micro 4/3 compatible mounting system and operates with a 4:3 aspect ratio, utilizing CMOS photosensor technology. It supports JPEG and RAW file formats and includes digital image stabilization for enhanced photo quality. The maximum focal length is 100 mm, with an optical zoom capability of 4x and a maximum aperture of f/2.0. The camera's expanded ISO minimum is set at 100, and it employs evaluative metering for accurate exposure. Designed for durability, it is waterproof up to 15 meters, 50 feet, dustproof, shockproof from heights of 2.1 meters, 7 feet, crushproof up to 100 kilogram force, 220 pound force, freeze-proof to -10 degrees Celsius 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and features anti-fog technology. It boasts a high-resolution f2.0 lens with a maximum 4x zoom and a back-illuminated CMOS image sensor. Additionally, it includes a variable macro system with 4 macro modes, allowing for magnified capturing up to 1 cm from the lens's end, along with 5 underwater modes like underwater microscope and HDR. Number 2. UHD 8K Underwater Camera. The Snorkeling CM026 is a cutting-edge digital camera designed for adventure enthusiasts and content creators, boasting the latest UHD 8K resolution and 70MP image quality, which provides 4 times the pixel density compared to traditional 4K cameras. This rugged camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, and features a fully sealed system with double lock construction, ensuring it remains operational in harsh environments while being dustproof, sandproof, and freeze-resistant. It can also withstand drops from up to 4 feet, making it durable enough for outdoor and underwater explorations. With a maximum focal length of 35 mm, an optical zoom of 18, and digital image stabilization, this camera captures stunning visuals without the risk of blurriness, perfect for both breathtaking landscapes and dynamic vlogs. Supporting AVI file format and utilizing CMOS photosensor technology, the Snorkeling CM026 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional-grade imaging in a reliable, adventure-ready package. Number 3. Insta360X5. The Insta360 camera boasts impressive specifications, including a CMOS photosensor technology that allows for 8K video capture resolution at 30 frames per second, utilizing dual 1/1.28 sensors for stunning detail and immersive 360 degrees video. With a maximum focal length of 30 mm and a maximum aperture of f/2, it excels in various lighting conditions, thanks to its AAA chip design that enhances low-light performance through advanced noise reduction and image processing. The camera supports MP4/INSV video capture formats and AAC audio, while offering a convenient 2.5-inch screen for easy navigation. It features connectivity options such as HDMI and USB, and utilizes microSD flash memory. Unique features include an invisible selfie stick for capturing third-person perspectives without visible equipment, and Instaframe mode. Number 4. Kodak PixPro WPZ2. The WPZ2 camera is designed for adventure photography, boasting features that make it ideal for extreme conditions. It is waterproof up to 50 feet, shockproof from drops of up to 2 meters, and fully dustproof, allowing users to confidently capture images underwater, in rain, at the beach, in snowy environments, or in dusty deserts without the need for protective cases. With a maximum focal length of 19.6 mm and 4x optical zoom, it offers versatile shooting options. The camera supports various aspect ratios, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, and utilizes BSI CMOS photosensor technology to produce high-quality JPEG images. Additionally, it features digital image stabilization and a maximum aperture of f/3. The WPZ2 is purpose-built for outdoor activities such as snorkeling, kayaking, surfing, skiing, and hiking, catering to those who lead active lifestyles and want to document their adventures. It includes built-in Wi-Fi for easy wireless sharing and remote control capabilities, allowing users to transfer photos to smartphones or tablets for immediate social media posting or use their devices as remote viewfinders for group photos and self-portraits. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a cutting-edge action camera featuring advanced photo sensor technology with a CMOS sensor and capable of capturing stunning 4K video. It has a maximum focal length of 24 mm and a maximum aperture of 2.8 f, making it ideal for various shooting conditions. The camera utilizes micro SD flash memory and records video in MP4 format while supporting audio formats such as 48 kHz 16-bit, AAC, and WAC. With a screen size of 2.5 inches, it offers connectivity through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The Osmo Action 5 Pro excels in low light performance due to its 1/1.3 sensor with large 2.4 M pixels and a 13.5 stop dynamic range, ensuring breathtaking imaging quality. Additionally, it features an advanced 4nm chip that keeps fast-moving subjects centered in both 16:9 and 9:16 formats, making it perfect for vlogging or capturing action shots. The camera also boasts industry-leading stabilization technology that eliminates roll axis shakes, ensuring smooth and stable footage whether capturing first-person action or scenic landscapes. That wraps up our list of the best underwater cameras in 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. All product links are in the video description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.